Welcome to this Bitesize UX breakdown, where we take a closer look at popular websites and apps and analyze the good, bad, and questionable design details so you can make better design decisions in your own projects. Today we'll look at Epicurious and an interesting rating system that they use to help their users find great recipes to cook at home. Okay, so today we're going to talk about how Epicurious lets users rate their recipes. But let's start out by just talking about ratings in general. When you think of ratings, especially in websites and apps, you probably think of 5-star ratings, maybe a number score out of 10, I don't know, maybe a bunch of Rotten Tomatoes. While there are lots of ways to show ratings, they all pretty much have the same purpose, which is to help other users make a choice based on the quality of something. So think for Airbnb. You're looking at hundreds of apartments and houses and trying to make a choice on which one you want to rent. Ratings are going to be one factor that helps you make a choice based on the quality of that place. With Epicurious, ratings are going to help users pick one recipe out of the thousands that are listed on the site. Here's how they do it. When Epicurious users rate a recipe, they can give it a score out of 4 forks, which is a nice touch for the cooking theme, but pretty much the same thing as your standard 4 or 5-star rating. What's more interesting is that they show the percentage of users who would make this recipe again. I think that's an awesome design decision, and here's why. First, it's a simple decision. Users don't have to think about if their kale salad was worthy of 4.5 or 4.6 stars. So a simple decision could lead to more ratings, which is overall better for showing more quality results to other users. Second, it uses the same criteria and language that real people use when talking about food or sharing recipes. I bet that the designers at Epicurious heard this over and over in their interviews and decided to mirror it in their rating system. So, how can you apply this to your own work? Next time you have to design a rating system, don't just automatically go to the safe, familiar 5-star rating system. Listen to your users and the language and criteria that they use when they're rating or reviewing something. This will make a clearer decision for them and will also be more helpful for other users who are looking to make a choice. Also, try to keep your ratings simple. You don't want to make your users think too much. Present them with clear choices so they can leave a rating quickly and accurately. That's my breakdown of how Epicurious allows users to rate their recipes, but I want to hear what you think. Let me know some of the best or worst review or ratings designs that you've seen, and definitely be sure to comment what app or website you want me to break down next. All right, thanks for joining. See you later.